it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with you guys, it's me, NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with another Choose It or Lose It. If you are interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. Today I want to come to you with Simply Naked Beauty. They sent me mascara and 3D fibers. So when you first open it up, it's coming in this cute little box. It almost looks like a pair of glasses. It has the directions, it has the lash gel, and it also has the fiber. It also comes with a little wand. Let me see if I can pull it out to brush the lashes and the directions. Okay, the directions is pretty simple. It actually says apply one coat of the gel and let dry, and do one eye at a time. Once you let it dry for a couple of seconds, then you apply another thin coat to the lashes, and then immediately follow with the fibers, and then apply the gel again. So it's pretty simple. So I decided to give it a shot.
Okay, it comes with this set of instructions from step 1 to 5. And it comes with the lash gel, the fibers, and the little lash brush in this cute little case. Okay, the first step is, it says apply one coat of the gel and let it dry. So just apply one coat. And I'm just going to let it dry for a little bit, maybe a couple of seconds, just enough to look at the lashes. So then you apply your second coat, a thin coat, and then immediately after, you want to go ahead and apply the fibers. And these fibers are 3D fibers, so it say apply the fibers to the middle of the eye outward. And then you want to seal it again with the gel. And you keep doing this until your desired look. I mean, I think these are really, really nice. And I just kept on applying my gel to seal it. And I can tell, can you tell the difference from that eye? Look at this one. Wow. And now I'm just taking the lash wand and just separating them, just going across them. And just to separate them. Can you tell the difference? I didn't do the other eye, but look.
So all in all, to tell you that I actually choose this. I really, really, really like it. I don't wear falsies all the time, so this is perfect for me. I like that it doesn't spill all over my face. You may get a little droplets, but nothing that you just can't brush off. And I like the way it does magnify and lengthens my eyelashes. Like I said, I don't wear falsies all the time in my everyday life. So yeah, this is great. I love it. And if you want to purchase some of these, use my code NeeCJae10 for 10% off your entire purchase. So yeah, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Visit me. Go ahead and subscribe now. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe right now. It's free. Click right there, and also click that notification button, because anytime I do a video, you will be the first one notified, okay? And my new subscribers, welcome. You are now part of the NeeCJae family, my oldies but goodies, and you know who you are. Thank you so very much for tuning in each and every time I upload. I will put everything that, the link that you can click on, and the code again, NeeCJae10, so you can go ahead and check this out. I really do like these, and I think you guys will like it and you won't regret it. So peace and love. Until next time. Mwah.